Throughout our lifetime, our hands do so many things for us. But have you ever stopped to think that your hands could also be a way of helping the health of your entire body to be much better? Hello, I'm Bill Floco, Director of the American Academy of Reflexology in Los Angeles, California. And we're going to take a brief look at hand reflexology and how it might be able to help you help your entire body to feel better. Let's take a look at Elizabeth's hands. And hand reflexology is something like a picture of the human body having been taken and superimposed on the hands. The fingers help bring relief to the head and neck. The big knuckles at the base of the fingers and thumbs help to bring relief to the chest area, lungs, shoulders, etc. The soft palm area of the hand helps to bring relief for the upper abdominal area of the body, and then the heel of the hand helps to bring relief for the lower abdominal pelvic reflexes. And where our spine is in the midline of the body, where the hands come together, that's where the spinal reflexes are. So let's work a little bit on Elizabeth's hand. If she were to have headaches, we'd work on this part of the thumb with a nurturing touch, not too hard, not too soft. Notice that this technique is totally different from acupressure and from massage therapy. So reflexology, because of the maps and because of the unique touch techniques, is a totally different discipline and science than massage or acupressure. Now, if we had neck issues, somebody would work on their lower half of their thumb and fingers, or you could work on it yourself for self-help. A lot of people in the world and the United States have lower spinal issues, and this is where we'd work on the hands for relief of lower spinal issues. If somebody had constipation, diarrhea, colitis, a lot of discomforts of that type, one, of course, we always want to look at prevention, but on this heel of the hand and heel of the foot, this is a wonderful area for bringing relief. Maybe working here for 5 or 10 minutes at a time, gently, but staying with it over a period of time for relief. So I'm Bill Floco, founder, director of the American Academy of Reflexology, and we hand it to you for using your hands for better health throughout your body.